at home. So today we are going to study a small chapter based on a birthday party. A little girl named Devgi is going to celebrate her birthday party. So before getting into the story, let me ask you some questions. So have you heard of a special children's home? Some of you may have visited one, right? So for those who don't know what is a special children's home, let me explain it to you. So we are very lucky to have our parents, our families and our friends, right? But in our world, some of the children, those who don't have such parents, families and friends, live in a house, and that is special children's home. So Devgi is going to celebrate her birthday in such home. So let's get into the chapter. So look at here, the name of the chapter is The Birthday Party. Listen. Devgi's 9th birthday was here. She was happy and so was everyone at home. It was Devgi's 9th birthday. She was turning 9 years old. And she was happy and so was everyone at home. It is usual, right? On our birthdays, our family members used to come to our home to celebrate, right? The same way Devgi's family members also was there. This year, they decided to celebrate the day little differently. So they decided to celebrate Devgi's birthday a little differently this year. They wanted to do something special for some children who have no parents or family. So they decided to celebrate the birthday in a special children's home. So we have already discussed what is a special children's home, right? Okay. Devgi's mother knew of a special children's home in the city. So Devgi's mother was familiar with a children's home in the city. It was run by Miss D'Souza. So who was Miss D'Souza? The one who ran that special children's home. Devgi's mother called Miss D'Souza and asked if they could celebrate Devgi's birthday in the children's home. So Devgi's mother asked permission to Miss D'Souza to celebrate Devgi's birthday there. Miss D'Souza was happy. She said that there were 40 children in the home. So there were 40 children in the children's home, and what was their speciality? They were all below 12 years of age. All below 12 years of age. They would be very happy to have Devgi celebrating her birthday with them. So they were very happy to celebrate Devgi's birthday in that home. On her birthday, Devgi and her mother went to the children's home at 5 o'clock in the evening. So Devgi's mother and she went to that home at 5 o'clock in the evening. Miss D'Souza gave Devgi a bunch of flowers from the garden and welcomed her. So what did Miss D'Souza give that Devgi to welcome her? A bunch of flowers. Can you see the bunch of flowers here? A group of flowers is called bunch of flowers. Okay, a bunch of flowers to welcome her. Then they went inside children's home. So Devgi, Miss D'Souza and Devgi's mother went into that children's home. Devgi's mother had bought a beautifully decorated cake for Devgi to cut. So can you see a beautifully decorated cake here? And there were 9 candles on it. There were 9 candles, and do you know why it was 9 not 10? Because it was her 9th birthday, right? So there were 9 candles on it. There were also chocolates, samosas, gulab jamuns, lemonade and fruit juice for all the children. So we can see here, right? There were gulab jamuns, chocolates, lemonade, samosas for all the children in that children's home. 39 of the 40 children were present at the party, but one was missing. So we have already told that there were 40 children in that children's home, but at the time of party, one of them was missing. And who may be that? When Devgi was about to cut the cake, Miss D'Souza said, there is a little girl, Mona, who has been absent all the day. So Miss D'Souza was saying that there was a little girl named Mona who was upset all the day, and they didn't know why she was upset. She is sulking in her bed even now. She is sulking in her bed even now. Do you know what is sulking means? Sulking means, can you see 2 little girls on their bed? This is sulking, not speaking because of angry. Miss Mona was also like this. Mona was also not talking to anyone in that home. So they waited. So Devaki and the whole family waited for Mona to come. A few minutes later, Miss D'Souza came in with Mona. When the little girl saw the cake, her eyes brightened and she smiled. So after some time, Miss D'Souza brought that Mona into the room, and when she saw that a beautiful cake, her eyes was brightened, her eyes was shining, and she smiled. How did you know it was my birthday today? So Mona was asking to the whole family, how did they know that it was her birthday? She asked, wow, what a lovely cake, and it has 9 candles too. So Mona was saying it was very beautiful and 9 candles too. Who told I was turning 9 today? Oh, I love samosas. Thank you very much. So Mona thought that the cake was bought for her. Mona then took the knife and was about to cut the cake. Wait, said Miss D'Souza. Just then she felt a little hand on her elbow. So when Mona was to cut the cake, Miss D'Souza told her to stop cutting the cake. She turned around to see Devaki at her side. So Miss D'Souza looked Mona. It's okay, Miss D'Souza. Let her cut the cake. Let this be her party. So Miss Mona was saying that let her cut the cake. Sorry, Miss Devaki was saying let her cut the cake. Let it her party. Mother was speechless. So Devaki's mother was stuck. Why? Because she didn't know what is happening there and what Devaki is talking about. And then she slowly nodded her head in agreement. So what's the meaning of nodded? We used to, when someone says to us, we used to agree. If we agree, we show like this, nodded. And this is nodded. Okay. And Devaki's mother nodded her head in agreeing what? To cut, Mona to cut the cake. Everyone sang happy birthday to you, dear Mona. Mona had a wonderful birthday party. So it was her wonderful birthday party ever had in her life. When they were driving back home later, mother said, do not worry, Devaki. We will have a party for you tomorrow. So Devaki's mother thought that she was very sad about the incident happened in that children's home, and she is saying, don't worry, Devaki. We will arrange another birthday party for you tomorrow in our home. Devaki smiled at her mother. Her eyes were glistening with tears. So what's the meaning of glistening? Shining because of wet. She was happy and her eyes was wet because she was very happy and excited about the incident happened in that home. This is not, she softly, that is not necessary, Mama. This is the best birthday I have ever had. So Mona said that there is no need of arranging another birthday party to me. This was the best birthday party I ever had. So let's see how Devaki was. She was really kind-hearted and loving person, right? So let us be like Devaki, loving and kind-hearted. And that was the chapter. So I hope all of you understood the story, and it was like an interesting story, right? So I hope you all enjoyed the story and try to be like Devaki. See you soon. Bye.